Good morning, everyone. Today we're moving on to multiplication and division, and the first lesson is looking at the 6 times tables. So when you go onto My Maths, you need to click number. From there, you need to click multiplication and division. Find year 4, and the lesson is 6 times tables, and you click on the lesson. So how many lots of 6 are there? At the moment, there's 6 bananas on a plate, but there's 3 plates. So there's 3 lots of 6, which is 6, 12, 18. Count many sixes. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plates of 6s, so 5 lots of 6, which is 30. 2 plates, so 2 lots of 6. Oops, didn't put the answer in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 7 lots of 6. So let's count 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Moving on to the next bit. 6 times table trunk. Complete the number sentences for the 6 times tables. The bugs will show you if your answers are right. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 6 is 24. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 6 is 42, 8 times 6 is 48, 9 times 6, again remember we're counting up in our 6s. So if I struggle, what I'm going to do in my head is this, 48 add 6, so 48 in my head, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Best way to do it, where a lot of you struggle, just remember it like that. 10 times 6 is 60, 11 times 6 is 66, and 12 times 6 is 72. Right, I'm going to go through them again because I want you to practice like this when you say times tables. The more you practice in this manner, the more you remember them. 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 6 is 24, 5 times 6 is 30, 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 6 is 42, 8 times 6 is 48, 9 times 6 is 54, 10 times 6 is 60, 11 times 6 is 66, 12 times 6 is 72. Let's click mark it. And the bugs will tell me if I'm right. And off they go. That's your times table trunk. 6 times tables tree. You have 90 seconds to complete the number sentences and put the leaves on the 6 times tables tree. Good luck. 4 times 6, 24. Mark it. 8 times 6, 48. Mark it. Then I'm quickly going to build the tree. 9 times 6, 54. 3 times 6, 18. And you go so on until you build the tree, okay? Now look, I've got an owl on there as well. 5 times 6. Oops. 30, not 60. And that's how you're going to build the tree, okay? So it's nice games to help you remember them. Loop card game. Find and click the answer to the equation. Okay, 6 times 11, 66. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 12, 72. 6 times 5, 30. I want to know what the picture is now. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 9, 54, 6 times 2, 12, 6 times 8, 48, 6 times 6, 36, 6 times 3, 18, 6 times 1, 6. You're pointless. That's how I roll. Hopefully some of you get the joke that the triangle is making to the circle, sorry, to the sphere, to say, you're pointless. And the sphere replies with, that's how I roll. Please tell me you get that joke. Right, moving on. 6 times tables division. Try answering as many division questions as you can in 2 minutes. 42 divided by 6. So how many 6s go into 42? Count up in your 6s. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times what is 6? How many 6s go into 6? 72 divided by 6. How many 6s go into 72? That's how you carry on and then you go ahead with it, okay? So that's another game. Catch the match. A number will appear in the black box. Click to catch the alien holding the calculation that matches the number. But be careful, if you click on the wrong alien, you will lose a life. You have 3 lives and 2 minutes to score as highly as you can. So, the number is 1. What will give you the answer? So it'll be 6 divided by 6. 9. What will give me the answer of 9? So how many 6 is 6? So basically 6 times 9 is what? 30. 6 times what is 30? 36. 6. 6 times 6 is 36, so I want to go with that one. 36, again, 6 times 6. Okay, and that's how you do that. So you wash the alien, just got the calculation. Los bananas. Help the monkey find his bananas. Click on the correct answer to the calculation. There are 10 rounds. 36 divided by 6. How many 6s go to 36? Count me 6s. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Banana. 30 divided by 5. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Bananas, that's 5. Where's my 5? Is it? No, it's not. It's 5 times 6, that will be the sentence. So if I count on 5s, it gets to 30. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 6. 18 divided by 6. How many 6s go into 18? 6, 12, 18. 3. Bananas. 42 divided by 6. Bananas. 42 divided by 7. So I'm going to count my 7s now. 7, 14, 24. Here's one on this one too. It's 7, 14, 21. See, I'm getting confused. So best thing to do, I know it's my 6 times tables. So I'm going to count in my 6 times tables because I'm an expert. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. That's 7. So now it's 6. So you can always use the inverse operation to work out the calculation. Match each calculation to its answer. 12 times 6, 72. 5 times 6, 30. 2 times 6, 12. 7 times 6, 42. 8 times 6, 48. 10 times 6, 60. 9 times 6, 54. 11 times 6, 66. You've got them all and completed in 8 attempts. Total number of pairs, 8. So that means I made no mistakes. I feel like an expert. Welcome to Beat the Clock. Answer as many questions as you can in 2 minutes. What times 6 is 60? 10. Something divided by 6 is 7, so 7 times 6 in my head, 42. 36 divided by 6, 6. Something times 6 is 30, 5. The more you practice, the better you will get, okay? All of you should be experts on 6 times tables. We'll be doing it in class with our TT Rockstars test. You've been doing it on TT Rockstars. You've done it in class. You've been practicing them regularly. My class, we'll be doing it on whiteboards every morning. Mr. Brannigan and Mr. Johnson's class, you've been doing counting on the counting stick, same with my class. We've done all sorts of things to remember our times tables. So all the best, and I'm sure this will be super easy for all of you and you'll be done in no time. Take care all of you, and hopefully this is super quick and easy for you. The more you practice, the better you'll get. As they say, practice makes perfect. Take care, guys.